Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I will share a replica for our traditional and famous South Indian ariselu. I am going to prepare in an instant way where there is no need to soak rice, prepare wet rice flour, and even bellam pakam is also not required. It can be made with the regular store-bought rice flour and add wheat flour to give little soft texture to our ariselu, and no need of getting any string consistency to our jaggery syrup. Make this super easy and very delicious instant ariselu for this festive season. To know such amazing, easy and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. So let's begin. Ingredients required are: this is rice flour, store-bought rice flour, normal one. Jaggery. So if you take 1 cup of rice flour, you need to take 1 cup of jaggery, and if you like to have it more sweet, then add quarter cup again, more, 1/4. Half a cup of wheat flour. Ghee around 2 tablespoons. These are optional. Khaskhas and sesame seeds. They are just to top the instant ariselu and deep fry them. So if you like, you can add, otherwise you can just ignore. First, let's melt this jaggery. So when we take 1 portion of jaggery, we need to take 1.5 portion of water. Melt it. You need not get any string consistency. You just have to melt it and strain it so that if there are any impurities, you can just discard them. We'll just allow it to melt. So the jaggery is melted completely. We'll filter this now. Let's allow this to come to a boil. So this started to boil. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee into this. Now we'll add the flour, rice flour and wheat flour into this and mix properly. Mix this properly. Now let's turn off the stove and allow it to cool down. Not completely, let it be little lukewarm, then we'll start next preparation with that. Now it has cooled down a little bit, wherein I can hold with my hand. So I'll just knead it properly. It has to be soft like this, it shouldn't be tight. In case it becomes little tight, you can just add little water into this. Now what we will do is, we'll add the remaining 1 tablespoon of ghee into this and knead it properly. So first let's prepare plain first. So it is up to you how big you want. Don't make it too thin. Make it little thick. So this size is enough for me. I'll deep fry in the oil. Oil is heated. Now I'll add 1 and deep fry this on both the sides till it becomes little golden brown. So this is done. We can remove this. So first let's prepare 1 more with sesame seeds. Now let's fry this also. So this is done. Now we can remove. This one is with khaskhas. So I have spread a little khaskhas over this, and now I am going to spread this. Now we will fry this also. Now we can remove this. Here is our super tasty and replica of our ariselu ready. These instant ariselu taste almost the same like our traditional ariselu, but the making process trimmed to adjust to our easy and mechanical busy lifestyle. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.